What's up, everyone? So I've never really been into following politics much, but lately I've been trying to be a little bit more educated about it. But the tricky part is all the buzzwords that they throw around. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I efficiently break down even something as simple as a political tweet from using like a screenshot with ChatGPT. I'm Ronald Dolph, and on this channel I cover finance, tech, and productivity. If you like some of this content, all I ask is that you hit that like button because it really helps out with the algorithm. So let me go ahead and just show you what I'm talking about. So I was watching this podcast and they mentioned this tweet here. Radical in the 60s argued that Black America was shifting from an internal colony into an internal neo-colony whose MBA professional would be assimilated while the masses suffered from poverty and a police state. I think it's safe to say we've completed that process. Do you know what that means? I mean, I think I know what he's getting at, but I've heard of the term, colonies, so I know what that is, but when he's referring to internal colony and then internal neo-colony, I could look up those words directly and then try to figure out like what they're trying to say, but ChatGPT's pretty good at just like deciphering what the context is that's trying to be communicated. So, and he's clearly referencing this tweet here by Angela Rye. So what I'm going to do is make a screenshot of this post here and includes a little bit of Angela Rye's tweet. Hop on over to ChatGPT, and this is the screenshot that I took here. See that? I'm going to drop it into here in the chat box, and I'm going to type in, explain this tweet to me, especially what internal colony means and internal neo-colony means and what the whole overall meaning of the tweet implies. And this is cool. It's giving me the explanation. The tweet discusses a socio-political idea, drawing on concepts from 1960s radical thought, specifically regarding the notion of internal colony and internal neo-colony. And here's the breakdown. Okay, so I'm not going to read the whole thing. So that's cool, but I might want to be more specific and then say, who are they talking about? Because apparently it was referencing another tweet towards the bottom. And so that's in the image, Angela Rye, right? Because that tweet was in response to Angela Rye's tweet. So I want to see if chat can figure that out and explain it. Look at that, that's pretty cool. The tweet references Angela Rye's tweet where she talks about attending the Congressional Black Caucus Foundation's annual Phoenix Awards dinner, and then explains the tweet in the context of her. The person who posted this original tweet appears to be critiquing individuals like Angela Rye and possibly others in similar professional or political circles. So that's kind of cool because it was smart enough to figure out, while he's taking a shot at Angela, he's not limiting it to her. He's just talking about people like her in general. And again, I'm not trying to send any message here. I'm just trying to show like how some political tweets might just go right over my head. And if you've ever experienced anything like that, you might want to know the deeper meaning behind it. And chat seems to be doing a pretty good job. You just have to know how to like prompt it the right way to ask it. Because like the first time I prompted, it gave me a general explanation of the tweet, but didn't talk too much about Angela Rye. So then I forced it to say, hey, what is he trying to say in respect to Angela Rye? And then it gave me the explanation. It was a little bit more direct. So that's it for this video. Again, hope you guys like this. I really think it's pretty cool how you could just take a screen capture and drop it. I actually just took a screen capture on my computer here to show you this, but when I first experimented with it, I took a screen capture of the tweet from my TV and then did the same thing on the ChatGPT app. So this is awesome, and I think it's a big time saver. So hope you liked it, and I will catch you in the next one.